You won't believe how much your peppers will thrive with this natural fertilizer. There's a powerful, all-natural booster hiding right in your kitchen that can work wonders for your pepper plants. Simple, safe, and incredibly effective. This easy homemade solution could be the game changer your garden needs. But before we dive into this amazing tip, tell us in the comments, do you grow peppers? Just type yes or no. We love hearing from fellow gardeners. If you're passionate about natural gardening and want to grow healthy, vibrant fruits without chemicals, stay with us until the end. We're about to reveal a simple yet incredibly effective recipe that will help your peppers grow stronger, healthier, and more productive than ever before. Organic fertilizer is more important now than ever, especially when it comes to growing peppers. These plants are pretty sensitive and need rich, well-cared-for soil to really thrive. Without the right nutrients, their growth slows down, the leaves can turn pale or yellow, and the fruits often end up small, sparse, and kind of bland. While a lot of people rely on synthetic fertilizers, those can actually do more harm than good in the long run. They mess with the soil, hurt the helpful microbes, and can leave your plants weaker over time. That's where organic solutions come in. They're not only safer for your garden and the environment, but they also tend to give better and longer-lasting results. Natural top dressing isn't just about feeding your plants. It boosts soil health, helps protect your peppers from pests and disease, and encourages them to grow bigger, more flavorful, and more colorful fruits. It's a simple change that makes a big difference. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, your pepper's new best friend. You'll need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 liter of lukewarm water. Mix well until the baking soda is fully dissolved. Water your pepper plants with this solution every 15 days, directly at the base of the plant. Apply in the early morning or late evening to avoid leaf burn. Baking soda helps regulate the soil's pH, creating a balanced environment for nutrient absorption. It also acts as a natural antifungal agent, protecting your plants from diseases like powdery mildew and root rot. The result? Stronger roots, lush leaves, and more robust, flavorful peppers. Have you ever used baking soda in your garden? Share your experience in the comments. We'd love to know what worked for you. See you in the next video, with more natural secrets for a thriving garden.